Are you lying in bed every night, staring at the ceiling, tossing, turning, and wishing you could just fall asleep? You are not alone. Millions of people struggle with racing thoughts, stress, and restlessness when the lights go out. The harder you try to force sleep, the more it slips away. Your body feels tired, but your mind keeps running. And this constant struggle makes you feel even more anxious, stealing your peace. But what if I told you there's a simple way to switch off your mind and invite sleep naturally? Tonight, I'll guide you through soothing affirmations that quiet your thoughts, relax your body, and allow you to drift into deep healing rest. Find a comfortable position, lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through your nose. Hold it and release softly through your mouth. Feel your body sinking deeper into your bed with every breath. Take a deep breath again and release it. Take a deep breath again and release it. Bring your awareness to your feet. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over them. Now, let that wave move upward, relaxing your legs, your hips, your stomach. Let your chest soften, your shoulder drop, your arms and hands loosen. Feel your neck, your face, your eyelids growing heavier and more relaxed. Your thoughts may still try to appear, and that's okay. Imagine placing each thought inside a soft, glowing bubble and watch it gently float away into the night sky. With each thought that drifts away, your mind becomes clearer, calmer, quieter. You are safe, you are supported, you are free to rest. I am feeling calm and peaceful. I am feeling calm and peaceful. I feel relaxed and happy. I feel relaxed and happy. I deserve to rest well. I deserve to rest well. I am breathing in relaxation. I am breathing in relaxation. I am safe and protected. I am safe and protected. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I release all thoughts and embrace stillness. My body is deeply relaxed and ready for sleep. My body is deeply relaxed and ready for sleep. Every breath guides me into deeper relaxation. Every breath guides me into deeper relaxation. Sleep flows to me naturally and effortlessly. I welcome deep healing rest tonight. I welcome deep healing rest tonight. I wake up refreshed, recharged, and full of life. Now I'm ready to sleep. Stay here in this peaceful state. Allow sleep to take over naturally, effortlessly. You are exactly where you need to be. Sweet dreams from Trendy Healing. Good night.